In this video I'm gonna talk about why we can't use ocean water. Probably most of the people know about the reason. But today you'll know the real reason behind this. So let's get to the video. Ocean water contains salt, which makes it very hard to filter. If you leave the salt in, not only does the water have a sour taste, it takes more water for your kidneys to filter out the salt than the water gained. So you can't drink it. This is why we use drinkable water. That's it for today, guys. Hope you learned some from the video. Like the video, and comment and also share because your one share means a lot for us. And don't forget to subscribe and make sure to click the bell icon. Check out our old videos. Thanks.
I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation.